Keto garlic butter shrimp with zucchini noodles. Ingredients. For the shrimp, 1 pound for 150 grams large shrimp, peeled and deveined, for tablespoons unsalted butter. For cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional for a bit of heat, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley. Chop. For the zucchini noodles, 3 medium zucchini, spiralized into noodles, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, optional. Instructions. 1. Prepare the shrimp. In a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add the shrimp to the skillet and season with paprika, oregano, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Cook the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they turn pink and opaque. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the shrimp and sprinkle with chopped parsley. Remove the shrimp from the skillet and set aside. 2. Prepare the zucchini noodles. In the same skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the spiralized zucchini noodles to the skillet and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes until slightly softened but still al dente. Season with salt and pepper to taste. If using, sprinkle the zucchini noodles with grated Parmesan cheese and toss to combine. 3. Assemble the dish. Add the cooked shrimp back into the skillet with the zucchini noodles. Toss everything together until well combined and heated through. Serve immediately, garnished with additional parsley and a lemon wedge if desired. Nutritional information. Approximate per serving. Calories: 350 fat, 25 grams protein, 25 grams carbohydrates, 6 grams net carbs, 4 grams fiber, 2 grams. You can find recipe in bio. This dish is a perfect example of a keto-friendly meal, high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. Enjoy.